don't know what to say. Only live our lives as slaves. Whoa, all we can do is race on to the grave. Well, now they're much too old and care about the future thing. They're sewing up the pen, shining suits with its immortality they crave. Days are done, so now they're brave. Well, all live in books for fools and slaves. We gotta get away. Opened the door and I found I was looking at danger. Well, it's been 10 years, but we're hiding our faces like strangers. She says that she's got to go, but there ain't no way I'd let her walk while there's something to say. Too many years just to watch our hearts die this way. without them together was simply a matter of care. Things did not work out like a plan. Alienation has left me here down. Too many years just to watch our hearts dying there. Too many years just to hear our hearts crying. Well, it's too many years just to watch our hearts dying this way. Say there's gonna be some sailing on the morning tide. Breakers clear airs there, ocean's head, Lord, you on a ride. Building houses made of paper, living for the day. That one-way ride on gravel slides begins to fade away. I'm saying everybody knows it's true. Way I feel about you. Ain't got no mind for wasting time, feeling like I do. Not for sunshine country, going where your eyes and mine, their paths entwined. Everybody knows it's true. Way I feel about you. Got no mind for wasting time, feeling like I do. Heading out for sunshine country, going with the wind. Your eyes and mine, their fires entwined as life comes rolling in. Gonna move out on the highway, make this moment last. It closes with the future, leaving out the past. Rolling along and doing fine. What do you think I see? That morning come back in, but it come and go with me. Engine just stayed strong enough, Lord, that you round turn. Lie on the back in the middle of the field, watch your body burn. Well, don't try to justify. You don't know yourself. Spend half time running out on the street with your mind on the shelf. Looking at me with your eyes fine. I'd rather be seeing me dead and lying on the floor with a hole in my face. 10-gauge shotgun at my head now. You can leave me here, I won't tell things I know about you and know so well. Well, smile at me, try to set me free, keep me wondering what the future may be. That rolling on, I said, I'll be long. I won't leave it till I find this. Well, don't try to just you don't know yourself. Spend half time running out on the street with my home on the shelf. Looking at me with your eyes with a fire. I'd rather be seeing me dead. Lying on the floor with a hole in my face and a 10-gauge shotgun at my head. Oh, the radio station that did that Kill Your Television shirt also had another thing. Give America diarrhea, let Ronnie run again. PBS in Florida. Got the blues from baby walking down by San Francisco Bay. Said Ocean Niner took so far away. Didn't mean to make you feel bad. Was the best woman that I ever had. Said goodbye, baby, made me cry. I want to lay right down and down. Well, I ain't got a nickel, it ain't got a lies a dime. Never come back, think gonna lose my mind. Ever come back to stay, spend another brand new day. Walking with me, baby, down by the San Francisco Bay. We're sitting here on the back porch, wondering which way to go. Said, woman, I'm so crazy about now, don't want me no more. Catch myself a freight train, 'cause I'm feeling blue. Right all the way to the end of the line, just thinking of you. Oh, I'm in the city, just about to go insane. Well, thought I heard my woman ways used to call my name. Come back to stay, spend another brand new day. Walk with me, baby, down by the San Francisco Bay. Just about to go insane. Thought I heard my ways used to call my name. Come back to stay, spend another brand new day. Walking with me, baby, down by the San Francisco Bay. Tell you, walking with me, baby, down by the San Francisco Bay. Walking with me, baby, down by the San Francisco Bay.
I'm hearing voices. Song called Death Don't Have No Mercy.
Death don't have no mercy in this land. Well, death don't have no mercy, oh, in this land. Well, in this land,